Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, but of course you can use mobile data also. So then let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Basically, if you will have any kind of update, your device will show you it with this red dot here, but let's tap on about device. And here we can simply tap on View Updates or just this Toggle Oxygen OS. So your device is checking for the updates, that's why we needed the internet connection. And basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where there is the update to download. So your device will show you the information about it, the connectivity, network, camera, actually what has been fixed, what has been added, etc. Of course, you can tap on this link and learn more, and basically all you have to do is to tap on download and install, and of course your device will apply it. The second scenario which you can meet is that whenever your device is up to date, of course it will show you the information that everything looks fine, there's nothing to download, and you're good. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.